Hello, agus bhaid go hiic na seanslaí mas maidh seansa ghlaú glaciad na seanslaí is mu sé Hugh Miguel Cara agus is fear professionanta mé ní bhíon aon bot an jeta agus sa riú agus méid genú intro Thig an Eagrán seo na Thig an chláir seo ag éam caiim an ruúdi seo ra agus méid gan post. Tá man seo lemoid cairde mars gra mó cóleachaí ar dúspáir tá man seo le aine bhuiir aine go dtí mar taú.
Mai sílam go an Nollaig really fuin is go ré den séasúr Seafóideach seo agus achanúir craicealta tá gola tarlú an bhí seo.
Tá muid Harbh scrista hana hain bhí tá muid fáil tús leis an imachtaí craicealte agus genú coppla button haar an mí seo agus a country couple button dhéanú tá seo fásta le James ó Flaharta. James go dtí mar tú? Nasty fire.
Yeah. So we are causing burps in the river.
Yeah. We dis a very fun art kitty in pre-Eagrán.
We must go more burp chun amach in the river. Feel more na goige. So go mes acu nervous was a public dollar go mes acu ling an Nollaig him burp a honig with James.
Agus tá sin cearcu leor is rud neidirtha é. Is rud go ndeanaí muid ar fad.
Jen and Lani so.
Ach mar dús aine moet is séasúr Seafóideach inis fi láid agus an Nollaig ling so kif mag eintere hí an is blin at it's just all good vibes in it. All good vibes.
Agus nus bé burp óging ó Áine. Áine?
Ní mábal tá céine anú ar command. Like, genuinely, ní hiigem cén Jane dóig an daoine sin.
Oh, really?
Tá brón no.
Sin scanlach.
I know. Beidir mé an ran clachtú agus déine mé iirta le the géad Eagrán okay?
Yeah, ma saolín is go muid tapad agus bí like urcar seo agus just éiríonn tú chin an het ar an camera.
Oh my god, sin is cin or tú héana is an chat ar brú ar main brúach déanamh.
Cilíonn Bach.
So Hugh, cecho is a héis dúid ar seachtainna. Bhí dis hís ag féile mór hís a gundé seachtainí.
He's a banging the hoosh.
Up to kingdom.
No other voices. Shay, yeah.
Na glóra eile an baschénig. Bhí ma a rá seo le muid comradí tí níl ó seo ma an chéad ar seachtain do mí Nollaig tá honéis sin a chuneal sir mar tá mé gafa l'other voices inis. Bhí se dá chráite mai. Bhí ma fanart a muo in dún clean / Waymont / and we sa tú ar nos bhí ma ó bhád ma ó an dain ach bhí man an siban an bhála a hanaiche le mo chuid comradí TV mu sin is a muir shouted mór heag chuig Áine a bhí ma fána mí agus mu fáil na fry-ups ó Kerry in sin fad local produce agus an sin i gcíche potato cakes agus scones agus brack agus towards bead on the cearcha hí gawer on hí bá on hí ahan eile sais an bhí an coslam hain agus an sin hí na féidir siúil agus tá se just tan na vibes ionta mai. Nis Jerry má seo agus é má adbhfuil ar seo tá se lein hipsters agus bhí se ar nóscró uniform acu a hanna le lad, beanie, mustache, earring, scarf pell, the craic and bows, jersey boots, na coffee moorish and like Dirkshire girl to Shulhart or campus IADT in Dunleary, like the arts college, like Dirkshire Costla, the ahani bunch of like scannaníocht, no, like like a creative, not ein rud mar sin. Níach tú steil costless rio hí sa dagen.
Bhí me go ra fiú tú a genú sort as tú kind for other voices that is tú ra. Oh, my gafa leis bhí na vibes just class. That tú sin the Aaron jumper like such a wannabe hipster goddess the chain.
Oh, tá agam agus dúr sin lom dúché dúir sin lom dúir ní lachan agus na fála sin godíra a dúsad si agus mudí doháile ar ihe an dóna dúirtí godíar na fálaí a wannabe hipster and I was like just cos tá bíní agus scarf agams a fásta ní se a faoiar na le bu go garm hí mar gur cos le smurfig punchin chat hí mar cho faoiar hí se just but hí an ceáil ar fád dochráte hánig má ní act Jake in sin hí réhhoging ag punch amháin a bhí Swiss ar Twitter an sin ag an lad ba leis a dingle distillery agus cheaptaí gur díc other voices much le bheith mar like hype man is the Dick Max but it was just growing the lads chuig alta ag seach the clogs to Trinona like you're even few in the bunch of shots Virginia ag dauser no scrummage and bitta like the sha just crack or die so kinchi be marash but yeah I'm just scrista in the yeah
no run to and made just know a reach or a man ocean and George Atlas show like run to the rundown like the alt of it for did a walk to as hoary to and you were like act Hain was she's more than it so I mean kind go to destination
well I'm fine near the machine because near Michigan new German they're Kale Wakama mar hard thing a cash arm even if you're rare hurt can much come the theory cash like Kane act as fair Wakama agus derma nu cumnigum K or Hanigma or Harvey it's just kind of just to do stage agus léimt ó pub go pub agus venue agus free Jerry to do iné eáil shocked act in la wine agus ní bhín cumne go wet cén thing a Wakama cén tam or cén naturoma they give bunch of seo na céhíar an staite cén fáil ma board like tá se just Inta da mai so yeah no Jerring ein those they're my on Instagram I'd say Cormac Bagley Ishan Shashan and thing is fair again fail can't doubt
go walk it too hard dinner be ella
hard thing be ella fail yeah Jerring kincha yeah mauling whole wara lay to just dark ratcher earn books up
won't shave me couple of the match like never made Nollaig no hill the match chin Beir Cormac Seach na rangní one ag ní se casú baritone concertina ag an option like tá sin có híisiil as an uim sin chuig so ach an sin rin an album le Jack Talty is an vertical casú de céile so caiú éisiú lei sin na fair bullock
and they shouldn't have claim to fame and they shouldn't claim to fame it's a good enough commit to like yeah for me she wrong in it as Cormac Bagley actually never mind being so genuine faster
you'd swear you're like a Hollywood celebrity
but no but Sean Rudd right I can see Sean Rudd from country right I'd say go Shaw Facky of River Faster Harry like things like that thingy like at a bunch of seal kill whatever the team we thought capping shit goes to their nose like mythical creatures I mean like egg shul heart because this cost like rock stars bug or whatever but the bunch of seal kill or even if you seal the Gaelic it's like no shouldn't just your man like it's just beacha egg sessions cost landing yellow beacha egg or even the marcus landing yellow just be like neat facking to and thieves or Harvey
it's just a human
yeah but it's a whole grammar though go thingy like thinking like oh my god it's parallel and over like Hasha Shenyman and piece a quite viral because I handle the phones in air like Marshaw whatever they're like oh my god Shaw Ahru must sail agus Shaw like it's
I love your work
yeah literally like it's Bralum and Kill it's Bralum Kill tradition to it's I just love it man it's just getting involved in the culture man
speaks to me
just brought a more like high birdie like really like like just like Emmy laugh like do you know what I mean like
as kid I kept to go dangen as in mar odds
just whole I guess Shari a little bit right Casla the hipsters like just the vibes just really jazz man just no Tasha gal to like tan ball bug into jazz be a docracha
Tá mis go ruúdará agus tá duine bháin a bhíon is géisiling cheaping a go bheith tuaach seo a cheaping se go bé an dagan an cantar iste sé géirí.
Tíim ach beidir go gadú níos mó go cléirheáil?
No, anything sa le James.
Is sprála mé
sin sco hís an.
Bhíh me se dullan sin ar siar clunne nar bhí me níos óige had bhíon mu síos le fan sin sa sceile gotel agus cuiimní tugamsa. Oh no, yeah.
Sorry.
No, during my back in the day, ní ro go finish.
Yeah. An ra.
Dimmer mis kommertas pell hís an kommertas podio sé. Nu ma 8 hís sin a fur an sin cheú. Basically kin romanticize mo legin is me go mo óog as go me se fur an seinir go mai gimmers op hís sin go bin en kna héúr vi me gimmers se fur an seinir ach an ikke ma.
Yeah.
Ridiculously ma.
Cuiime sin fa gonne má líban sir hal.
Why do you gin dangin?
Bhí na lad sa dul go, I think Magaluf no a bitta.
Ja, moet ik me geloof.
Why miss you Magaluf?
Agus bhí áhín agan, chuiime an dreid bug aíthe chuiime sús Thig a bhíon hilltop go dé tainnim chu club an chuiime su sin naíthe agus bhí mar dóogan. No bé an bhharrma I'm sure fair.
In fact, go mise a Magaluf agus gro tisa sa dangin le haid an airteist. That is...
Hey, should I do the show local na sé an dangin Magaluf na héidir?
Fiú fan na seochlostal chuig má hismóí go dtíon dangin ar bhí na malasacan.
Malasacu.
Agus bhí mám homesick. Oh my god, she got my war from sure she go doháile né an dé.
Sin ho grammar.
No, heb go fan tá ma fá focail se an seanachil sin is airí tá is sé an dangin Magaluf/ na Seychelles go héing an gompéide.
Absolutely.
Díra casla heile. Díra casla heile.
Ní bhaid tú pobaní níos fearr ná bíle na níos fearr ná rudí le genú le idir caiacail nó dul has bloody an del fungi eáil.
Well, bhí dáfanála gluúháin.
Ruin.
Yeah.
Fly hiking.
I stand by it. Bhí amínta thugam.
Cans fao popan í má a dé. Tá séisiú seafóideach. Agus dis a beg ní seafach der se se Hugh agus vís me héin sange jo ná. Chomach de héine agus is airing. Agus chom sé gig mu tain an Rose. Ik das airing agus chonig mu Shotling an óra an cáú a bhí tí sin méige agus óró se a haála.
Chonig me héin as Hugh Shotling hí an ardeis so tá go.
Oh yeah, tún ik sky wie der seachtain is going in fairness ach Fu me bug ní óta ar níine ach
never
many sharp many shot side. Yeah.
I mean bhí fós álin agin dehíine chuimmuid in Roisin dú her dús bhfuilmuid le an birthday girl route agus chuimmuid gotí hústáir na keys agus bhí ceol beo a chu sin agus mas é gur dunar bí mai ar an deir seach na tascú gro or an sé McGowan a casú achanach. Bhí fair New York agus ri night in Soho a chanu ahan pub in gáú cabbí. So cool mud ceol mai an daithe bhain me se ansoltas.
James the Oglarmer him fegal go to smuitiú rud igen agus just it's like táin rud cearna jinger ige má just higam fecal a súla go like devilment.
Well no, te híine is níró mór go mothú inm in devilment bhí bhí me just mar dús Áine agus cilíonm gur ma just lomhainn a lá an léana sin san na keys just bhaibal lomhainn asca slua leis ceol rud in ide nach mí mai gannne mór an but I think just gur an bín ceol le sinnom nu cin sé.
Ní rótagurí bud eáil. I mean, dismissed isn't the word. Hugmud Dermot de James Chaptal hugin agus croise le gin as scaiste hart as that share da le sin I lear Nordler. Niro shefiú a trial lort le dinna na jory. Niro she Gary ban, Niro she sator to be new insert. I suppose your own expectations I get. We should just a win sultas and guess.
Tan íhintí sinna hó mai. Just an way just a bunsalt as an I've had and crack is an cold there, but this is just a bunsalt as a crack and you're ein cold there. The art.
Yeah.
Ach het sin an saharing Hollywood intach grabber.
Oh no.
So backstory be on dinner show if you my piece of fadocha. Be she is in Monrose.
Yeah.
Agus vi ma hen is ange they pinte in Monrose. Agus you can ask you hiring couple days. He was like like just my hello days. Like that's like this craig. That's why she volte. Agus chin then just click out shot in more insing. Just my he does imran she and stories in netchin. So need some back gap and she could my is anger date. Agus in ontachtrucht a forma doen nog doortje bronnen dat je wat zus kan zet maar heb maar toe data as you might like so obviously maybe to that on phodchraoladh for me mal pushing
thanks a lot a Hugh lad
strike one strike two if you may saying just the cans is a god study I don't think that had it flourishing at that we move all across those answers we depression them on the river so like you freaking strike cash to harms it so shouldn't strike two because like strike three just go doing the lowers jeez Christ
yeah Katina just snacker she cashert
I know right I know
Agajin Cuimid Sustaira agus bhí more daoine ó síon na Gaeilge sin go leathan na Gcuinearthú bhí Megan McGillian sin agus bhí Turlach agus Sifra agus Sir Keegan agus more daoine sin agus bhí ar dóibh an lo bhí muid húsar orlar dasa buchas le Turlach bhain sin haing seahan den níos as us sé deanú what I can only describe as Rodégan amachas RuPaul's Drag Race. Bhí sé I léimtí seas na splits ar an orlar agus I mean rinne se seo hart fihíor in é chéile agus an sé úsa go in é sé ní ros gom fiú go jolum sin dhéanú just annig sé amásam. Just bhín crackar dói agus bhí seoléin ar dói tá acu cin sé dói le daoine chur a dasa agus a bhaint soltas an ihe goí. Bhí James fiú a bapal bhí na cosig James.
Had ik mochtstach om chorpa richt is koppelpunten ginne cellen so ma hoe is so stellen so is sé an 1000 damsesinn hos se gachten mo damsesinn wie ik inter gaan in alle fairness.
Sílim gur 1000 damsesinn na 1000 chaser Seafóideach.
Ja. Dol o séidir Seafóideach be moids I golle seach is séiser de kosher Nollaig agus keerd iad orchid fluency faoi gCóisirí Nollaig.
Oh, well, I wish Grumman an dul go kosher Nollaig gom líon léon kosher Nollaig agam sa the self-employed Christmas party the Washington fi le Justin Stafford sin literally sin go bh mission ag punch aigen a réit na bliana. Ach ní rom seach rudí a kosher Nollaig better like yakin better kind of way no go whatever you're mar kosher Nollaig ober ogum actor dantra because formally into a len ruddy faoi the hudge colaki igen oper fi ladon right nimachan in anime glue and shot because shanska rahamagin prison but vi lad ag an a kosher Nollaig vi ma get like couple of Vienna agus dúirt se hána sé más an néras agus bhí se le chuáilte agus bhí I'd say go ruí an tal clochaí gan am céarna agus dúirt se lom Hugh ní léon pepar léras is tí sa léir sin. I was like sin crackáilte agus dúirt se ach bhí arm dul aon nós agus an sin fuairma an ballú chu se ag an néras agus just bhí se well caiim adul gus cin just déile le seo so bhí se go homlan bhí se choáilta sin that he just was like fuck it be grand.
Bhí sé fós salach i chat más le.
Fós caia salach caia agus an sin seachtain in éis just cruim mar seo ní róise an sin in é Nollaig ní ron lá se.
Oh yeah.
So go bí cóisirí de gáilthaigh ná sin an cóirle bhhain tú.
Níl leis scéal bí fa chuine sin I
Yeah.
An leidse bh mis rá le cóisiáil atá sam Gló daine bheith cé pochir seo sin ché cóisiálagus acu na colch nó beidir nó rééis COVID agus ruí mar hin, just béim léanana cinál mar chéad cóisiir. An leidir thuair náí bá duine tá is smú likely a bheith chuoch olta agus just bí tad beg ní sober na iad san agus tá tú a bhhail leis. Bé gachta can faoin duine is cuiachta, ní bhé duna can faoin dána duine is cuiachta.
Ach nach tusa an duine is cuiachta ag an ggóisiir TG ceair cinnte nó.
No, sí tá mu rinne duna lón na Nollaig. So ní bhé émas go amach go tí taréis. So níl ach Áine mar cholach ach an lón agus sin bé mu a gáil. Bé chud go amach le cópaach taréis today. So be sin grad because tá tú Hugh le glóir ach cuiimelum bhí me cúpla cóisiir Nollaig agus bhí me ag ceán agus chonig me hat trúr a bhí cuiachta ag hat 8 PM dus se lovely Kom can is mission is agus like look tá go chun effendíine cuiachta dí ach like it's just caution Nollaig that just dodgeoch cuiachta team daine a gobal.
Yeah.
Ní rom se rio ag cóisiir na Nollaig.
Wow.
No, mar bhí muid gobar ó hosí muid gobar bhí COVID an agus an Nollaig scate ní rópóspú an ócum sa hard bhí me léim tart cos le Hugh dena opra éagsúil cúpla chans nó éagsúil. So ní clú gom céinsir etiquette atá ag tastal nar hinú ag ru ag mar sin.
Jeremy lá na seine ná pág aon duine. That's sin an piece of cord tugam that's just not pog it because I know Jada this a costa. I know what you're like. Nah, Jenna. You know.
Ní mór attention da hand Hugh.
Sean's go mask to the suicide thing in Chatala. Nota completely unrelated. James, fog through dinge a cushion and all the number.
No. Ní rom le eintar riomh bhí mar go.
Go fáil.
Gafal.
No.
James Nollaig
and Christmas jumper Santa hat agus gan ein rud ella. Yeah.
Agus tá actually so léana tá plan amplay an lón Nollaig Áine ag an opera. So it's lóna thing. So be hart ag dulchlog for law, right? Do's me shit. You know what? I'm just gonna the life of the party, John. You know.
Wouldn't be like you.
No.
So chuma Amazon na hana agus dair de ma suit na Nollaig.
Oh, Jarrag.
Tá se look darug le like Christmas trees agus chullerud teamplaid agus tá má go hata sentí vermas chullerud agus tá éan gach duine san áit I go titim. Ach éan se ní se fós delivered, so mar sú go mó go mé should delivered an arm because tá má bankián a seo go mé saki. Oh, tá má sú chomór na mé ma just outrageous agus Masú is scuide ein publish ma treéis le suit mór sem agus dé leor lei Zerdine.
No.
Kinte, but you know, do for the plot.
Exactly.
The plot being Bear James shoot a while a go J the ahu agus Jack Rashta ha got her arish.
Yeah.
What a plot.
Cabbage all than your sinna dá Jaran Virginia sinna bé se. And so what mis gan running at that adwellness, right? Mis chun bheith agus ní brádal se fog be thing bhí mar gobar lá Rio. Ní cóisirí though, so I don't know in contest in se. But yeah, so gom. Yeah.
Tá mis chul gar is a bhí do desk lei sin.
Not raw ad but bhí majig like bheo like breakfast agus lón gin heile so like le heile like stísa etch like it was like killed it was bhí sé gin cóach tech if má gobarig
Okay.
so bhí major fad like you know hánig majig heile minicid or hin le and then
Agus bhí sé tó. Sorry.
bhí sé grand bhí sé go dobar anna má tis bug a haar learnish.
No correlation. No.
I hope not. The sulugum nachhfuil. Tá ansulugum nachhfuil. No, yeah, no, so gent agum sa. So tá intasarm cos cappa give meo sin urwango mission is fian na James. E dói awain. An dói eile to James.
Ken an Jacqueline just a stress all a reach goodie show. Nílas agum sa tá just tá idea gom go mé right scéaltaí crackalta é James ón ggóisiir seo. Ón lón seo the runner.
Ní cheapam im líana dó, ní cheapam ggóisiir. Tá siamsa tá trust olumsa in James go mé se anmúnse é cóisiir na nág.
Ó múnse, cinnte, bín te gcónaí béis anar tá sé olta ach tá development ina chuid súla mar dúirta níos luithe. Agus brahan srníthe, bín reintíonnta a sa sesin just an sin le chaos a chruthú. Ní héaglaat is an adwal.
No, dúirs mé dúnm tá mó fad ó chin benach dé an adam Shalom James. Don't ship what you eat.
No dúirte agus sin na hanig suas leis an seanach go sin.
Dragutí nach é. Dragutí nach é.
Caimar rail of right see haar and Jerry Shachting and there's easy other voices. If you miss it fucking graftal ahani, the ahani ho because Jerma like the ahani gallant, the ahani ain't the hell. Agus much as a cancel a handle than if he's should hashma cancel a birch van show. Agus piece of crack whatever. Ach and Shin vista rev vista call a star hiking chapel. So when the will look for other voices the chapel new Seamus agus and etch is deli le elisha and James's representation genta it's an etch is deli le elisha in other voices kaitu basically ve a naskia le you know union and faile no le a gubber snaman na gubber it's the man call like not even like sna grab manner in rod like there's a really deli elisha agus start to birch fan shot which ton dolisha Thig and Chapel le eáil murder capital banachol well andú go montu agus ládas in Allan agus dúrma se seo lá prela mí de eáil no bit deadly bit chocho mai crí version nach mar shanty deca there's right tam jingu game out slan live dag siad hanig sure arash again like yeah one much agus dúirsid te bhí me dearthar an am sa dulin but just né chail mu deas an cé náhfuil se ar bhaile teach lin Haken Chapel. I was like, hell yeah, Bram Chartlam, whatever. So purely miss a chance out for my stacking chapel shot. Sean with the Harley though, right? And Fwe grew in Gerhard Culture was Margaret Kirklock and Gangshin Shrooms. Agus just Neurosaku Kinetcher White Shop. Agus Mudgig C Stee to Chapel. It kicked in Don Birch of Iman Law.
No.
Agus fi should ho giggly agus ho like fi should like pure weird vi should like stand worm or shaw fi should genu flamony it can't be being like the cheese man's coming cheese do you like cheese agus vi should birchaku sasna fasta so it was like the cheese Alan Mershin like agus fi ma like J tagentogum so Bhí áthbhéh suaine don gig, but bhí man only the walk with crowd. So caiir naculum agus just extend arm and it's Sraith whatever.
Ag sin an sort a Harlín ditse a gcónaí.
Yeah.
It's just tosa ní chuig nach dinner bí eile sús sa cásin.
Yeah.
Just only you, Hugh.
Just a handy that cup of baby bell lad, wat na the roll out of mach and then
Could he Hugh need?
Yeah. Either re-harter and shape or Gary the either I'm sure them just Gary the roll off sheets and shreds and so ní bhíonn just lumlí smó. Bhí má like J tagentagum. Bhí honestly agus dúirt má sin lá as in Dirk mar an Birchaku is dúirt má go J tagentagum agus háiste the Gary be like and I was like níam se mágu like ní é seo like mis been like oh cé dóil man shop bhí mar literally like tá chun fá blas an shop so bhí arm either like a hen who like I was just like avoiding you and shouldn't because but like an etch tiny like ní higad can so bhí arm just like damn she my car do take over a PR agus just feel like the one conscious lacha and then their arm said that I stayed well back I guess just near my Gary that coloration but Hannig made a couple of re and fail and I was like hi exact Mark Hill
so go bonus went to last as na Calini bochta seo Dúr ons gejocht laat ticket eile sta agus an sin fortirélo
yes
classy Hugh
classy Jerry manage vi fi hin so dul much so vi de wadrog or ein nos
wat te chuí go mar sin níos bále le feiceal ná amachú idir mar acu agus go just a caiin agus in haid
no James sinna rud a Harley bhíma idir an bhairt acu sin go ddíireach an rud a Harley bhí me se gramithe atarthú agus mé is tí sa sépal I was literally like bhíma I don't know Rio ag punch ag an every art just like standard ddíireach ma I was like gan lenár yes like bhí sin de oh literally like na jen ein bogu mar lori should lat
for fear my arcan tú súla acu sin ar crú dó sin le just córa omla le hosú leat fin cheese man ríis
oh my god fish had just like the arm a ní romhainn on craic nus one my ansalt is an gig fin gig it am mai but an dói war ma shahigan gig fi ma like oh yeah tí seo genta gum céim fa nach romhainn on just a bheith suaine agus gan a bheith cant le ahanana le duine a bhacama ag an féile like literally ahanana just lower claw
ach sin muid a lig I think sin kind of trait atá ag an siúr again agus go leor daoine eile siú na Gaeilge tá muid có cardial as có fisra agus just a gurí ahanród a ólam faoi ahanana agus ahanród a insin de gooine faoin hain is rud é tá ahananta agam faoi ahanana a hénig féil na galí nó ag an earthas is bralinn bheith kaint so ní hiag lá a roín ar tain fao sin
yeah Jenny sib sin rud cearna James this is a safe cearna and Jenny this rud cearna
the mission is fisher master gwil am lo because basically on different can the muhudler saying yeah no 100% more can the dabs on the most random of the tickets bear like yeah go on but I think a bit out of the hall is like after road ma and then to like everything has an equal and opposite reaction so road ma road done and then it just equals out together so,
the Bariat L arm there had to be a catch la sin mage vi tarlu it's like higat elisha higan shape la ekal Ballyhall will do lugadon kaitadol le Bert Sassenly at triple shrooms agus at to kind of a Grammy after who a reek and gigger fad
Chaser Shafoja
Chaser Shafoja is right
yes.
So actually the cash weighing journal sort of creating Swiss whatever coughing season and graduating to go day
Credit Toma immune
to immune
not by
clearly
not by choice
she go gradin mar gur Harley sé ditche faoi ho Hugh
yeah
Harley
I was a victim for victim of cadre vín jazz a bhí má antu but Harley se tarlinn se go minic the carlumse agus seo ban nachró a gadre le like ceir blian an immer sin agus níachmai le mí like just like either ober agus either or lack thereof agus either a hand whatever agus time mar rash agus did she call it a cadre on ceadú le ceir blian I'm like coffin season is so real Sean Rudd literally ní acin do dinge la ages and then suddenly touched kind of and agus just call like Canada like or ski holidays with immersion like it's crazy absolutely crazy but there's a dance rap so better than James you can coach Nollaig
no look Tuigim fáin na daine, Tá se fuair man sin, bíon tú wegnach sa labo. Can the friggin' hot water bottle and get over it. Martin Sora. Clear minds, come on, guys. Right sick.
Tá button all-war gentig my housemate, right? Tá button all-war gentig, yeah. Háisi se ag siúla má le cálín caras ige. Tá siúla má le chead chuig bliananis, right? But bhí breitla sici an chatings fai hart. Ag táisi si de siúla má a nish agus tá Nollaig again trí seachtainine.
Oh yeah.
So it's just
Katu follow back Kinut umbrella on and then Kinut had like the Nollaig Valentine's with him in. Agus then operate Kinut got fíor the cards so then non spots at amach was like his payments.
Is Bralin good shibsha? Is Bralin good a virtual of shit or Comhairle? Has shibsha or Comhairle Gailrach the job? And virtual shingle. Agus the country on you know we can argue the kai or the Cali like like obviously Tati confront is can the an anniversary so came come down the bleeding go an anniversary.
Listen,
but got to make kind of pinty and I'm going to like so
pubs and you catch vigentes.
Priorities.
Not only good birds shingle to the corner shot, that Pharaoh one not for God's video, but there's a good
Yeah, so dinner be Geisha, not lock a cordia or James of Florida. We go to rugby.
Agus Glock Mahutsa. Like a pinch of salt, the Mahutsa.
A lad of creepy suits, a shape, the verticalin to be haid, a big lock of shrooms, need oil and locking cordia section. Can I just be and number of bema occur in Gorla shin?
Look, hug of a castle and the way, like kind of Rahul, I will do look at dawn. I will do like the crazy to ding it to the steon.
Or to raw, which I shouldn't even read like come on.
Yeah. No, hug of a castle, Lumsigus James, chaotic, single, gone ain't arrogant, Michigan past, hug of the castle in you. Agus be armor do good.
On tempting.
Agus an nóta sin mí mai good as out bhéh geis na seanslaí a ríis muidirrás gan bhfuil le Eagrán uair mu muid am man host muid ar na seanslaí Instagram na seanslaí Twitter na seanslaí YouTube seans gohhaci sibh an rial galanta a bhí chuir le cheile ag Áine sin don craic English and Spotify Wrapped content queen sin na chur majority as of right now I don't think you're real Kermit content queen are.
No. Agus mile me, I'll take it.
Oh no, come shop sinna ústa túnis the bios in the sure fad. But the guy Áine amsú, but the guy in the content queen amsú in the man host there's more anywhere Instagram, anywhere or Twitter, agus anywhere or TikTok. But the guy James amsú the man host there's more fluency or Instagram fluency or Twitter, agus fluency or TikTok. As about the guy Mahain amsú the man host there's more Hugh here or Twitter, Hugh here or Instagram. I was just grey Hugh or TikTok. Well, inward guy would you plug all? I want go and you get cachtainí le céndóil le burpal a dhéanú an command so mat test again thing you céndóil sin dhéanú blood a hall cur scale hugging. Actually the gig ogamsa tá sé genú gilgary again seachtain ar an seachtainí da mínág so mat tú chimpler bad clia as Gary and crack a good piece of cracking is callúidir bíling club chun na Gaelic ar an seachtainí da mínág. Lads, bunig salt deir seachtainine, bunig salt as an Nollaig, bunig salt as cuffing season, as an séasúr seafaide, bíigi curmar iontaí má, na galama ar ihimála dinge agus capan dinge go to ar cunne leis an dinge sin. Cos tarlaíonn sé, it can happen to you. Ag so going to be one salt deir seachtainine agus bin drás gan bhfuil le Eagrán uair da na seanslaithe. Slán.
Slán.
Let's see it.